are on Skyline Drive.
We're on Dickey Ridge, high enough into the mountains that we're in the clouds.
Feel cool and fresh air. It's so good. Can you waiting for me, please? What kind of shoes are you wearing?
Special built hiking Crocs.
See, my shoes. It's pretty.
QP said now we have to follow the water road. Looks like the little stream runs right down the path. This is a very beautiful waterfall. People come here from all over the world to admire nature and look at what they do. Isn't that amazing? Such a beautiful place and people just trash it. This is how much trash we picked up from 0.8 of a mile when we hiked this morning. I don't understand why people drive all the way to a state park. If they want to see a trash pile, they can throw it out in their front yard and stay at home. What do you think, QP? Nasty?
Yeah. 好漂亮，老公，我很喜欢。We saw deer finally. Long time no see. Here, 2 deer beside road. Interesting.
Oh, the first one is a spike.
Oh.
See his jaw?
Uh-huh.
The second one is a doe.
Cute. A tree fell down on the road, and we not will do good thing. Try to move the tree out of the road. Good job, Winner. Pretty. And I got blackberry in there. Many.
Let me see. Very nice. Wow, QP, what is it?
Looks like it's spring water. Wow. I can wash my blackberry in here. Wow, it's very cold.
Does it taste good?
I eat a blackberry.
The blackberries taste good. Does the water taste good?
Yeah, I think so. We should bring our bottle to here, get some water. More natural. It's much better than Walmart water. Oh, some bugs in here, 老公. Here. 咦，虫子。
Continue on Skyline Drive for 13 miles.
See, we see a few very old cars in here. It's very nice.
Western Pennsylvania Triumph.
Go this way.
I thought it was TR6.
This is an MG.
Well, that one is. What is that one?
TR3.
TR, the one.
Great granddad. And then a TR4, a TR6, a TR250, and another TR4 at the beginning of the file. The old man's bringing up the rear.
Yeah, the oldest car is in the back. That's not the way you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to have the newest car in the back and the oldest car in the front.
If he's in the back, it's easier to throw a rope and drag him.
Well, no, actually, he's the most likely to brake, so if he's in front of us and brakes, we'll know it. If he's behind us and brakes, we can just go down the road forever before we know.
501 down to the brake. Yeah. Very cool. You want me to?
That is that easy. I mean, it's that easy.
It's that easy.
We're not
that
allowed.
easy. Go ahead.